Good morning, dear students. So today in this class we are going to have a discussion on the simultaneous equations and the substitution method. In the previous class we discussed about regarding to the calculation of simultaneous equations and the elimination method. Today we are going to have discussion on substitution method. How to calculate the unknown variables value, that is x and y, in case of substitution method. Let us will see this question here, that is x plus 2y equals 4. Another one equation is 3x plus y equals 7. Now in case of elimination method, what we have done, we eliminated one variable, then we are going to find out the other variable, but here we are not going to eliminate, we are going to substitute the values. So we have to consider any one equation among two equations here. Consider any one equation. Here in this slide we have considered the first equation, that is x plus 2y equals 4. So when we are going to substitute the values, we have to see that which value to be substituted. If you are going to substitute x value means, so at the right side we are getting the y values along with the y, what variables are there, and constant number. If you are going to substitute y value at the left side means, we are shifting all the x values and numbers to the right side. So in this slide we are going to substitute x value. So x equals, if you are going to substitute the value of x means, you are going to find out the value of y. If you are substituting y value means, you are going to find out the value of x. So here x equals, right side 4 is there. We have retained as it is, right side 4, that plus 2y becomes minus 2y. Now in an equation, instead of writing the value of x, we can able to substitute x is nothing but 4 minus 2y. The ultimate answer we have not found out, but only the values that we can able to substitute. If you are considered the first equation means, you should not substitute in the same equation, you should have to substitute in the other equation, that is second equation. Here we are substituting x equals 4 minus 2y in equation 2, that is second equation we are substituting, because x equals 4 minus 2y we got from where means, that is from the first equation. These values we have to substitute in the second equation. Now we have to write the second equation, that is 3x plus y equals 7. Where there is x, we can write 4 minus 2y. 3 into x place we have to write 4 minus 2y plus y equals 7. Now we should open the brackets, that is 4 minus 2y after multiplication with 3. So plus into plus is plus, that is 4 into 3 is 12, plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6y. So one more additional y is there in the equation, retain as it is, plus y equals 7. Now in the left side there is one number, there are two y values, one is minus 6y plus y, and the right side there is one number. So what we can able to do, we have to find out the value of y. So minus 6 and plus y, the difference is nothing but minus 5y, and the numbers we are shifting to the right side. So one number is there, that is 7, the other number also which is at the left side has to be shifted to the right side, that plus 12 will becomes minus 12. Now minus 5y equals 12 minus 7 is nothing but minus 5, because the highest digit number it is minus, so we should write minus. So minus 5y equals minus 5 means y equals minus minus get it cancelled, both the sides are there. So 5 divided by 5, the value of y equals 1. So this is how, when we are going to substitute the values of x, we can able to find out the value of y. And let us will continue, because we have to calculate the value of x now. So same thing, we are going to substitute the value of y, that is equals to 1, where means in the first equation, that is x plus 2y equals 4. Because after substituting in the second equation only, we got the value of y equals 1. So in any one of the equation we can able to substitute, but we are substituting the value of y equals 1, that is in the first equation, that is x plus 2y equals 4. So x plus 2 into the value of y is 1, so equals 4. X plus 2 into 1 is 2 equals 4. Then we are shifting the numbers to the right side, retaining the variables at the left side. So x equals 4. So plus 2 becomes minus 2, x equals 2. So this is how to calculate with the help of substitution method. Let us then say the second question, that is 3x plus y, 3x plus 4y equals 4. The second equation is 5x plus 7y equals 4. These are the two equations given. So any one equation you have to consider. First, if you are considering second equation means the values what you are going to get x equals or y equals, that has to be substituted in the first equation. If you are considering the first equation means whatever the values you are going to get x equals, that has to be substituted in the second equation. Now here in this problem we have considered the first equation, that is 3x plus 4y equals 4. If you are going to substitute x means, so retain x at the left side, the numbers to the right side. 3x equals, right side 4 is there, the plus 4y, if you are shifting to the right side it will become minus 4y. Therefore x equals 4 minus 4y divided by 3. So this is the value, or this is the thing that has to be substituted in the second equation. Now let us will go for the further calculation. So here, so we have to substitute x equals 4 minus 4y divided by 3, that already we got with the help of first equation. Now this thing we are going to substitute in the second equation. The second equation is 5x plus 7y equals 4. Where there is x, we can write, we have to write 4 minus 4y divided by 3. 5 into, in place of x we should write 4 minus 4y divided by 3 plus 7y has to be written as it is, plus 7y equals 4. Now here what we should do means, we can able to open the brackets and see in the denominator place 7y in the denominator, nothing number means we can able to assume it as 1. So here we have to open the brackets, that is plus into minus is plus into plus is plus, 5 fours are 20, plus into minus is minus, 5 fours are 20y plus 7y equals 4. Now what we'll have to do, in the denominator there is 3, no number means we'll have to assume it as 1. So we have written it as 1. So for 1 and 3 we'll have to take LCM. The LCM is 3. So entire thing, this is 20 minus 20y is the numerator, and for another one number is, the numerator is 7y. So here with the help of 1 and 3, the LCM value is 3. So we should divide by the 3, then quotient has to be multiplied with 1 into 20 minus 20y. So 3 ones are 3, 1 into 20 minus 20y, it remains as it is. So we have written same here, 20 minus 20y plus, because it is plus. So with 1 we should divide 3 means 1 3s are 3, 3 into 7 is nothing but 21y equals 4. Now we have to see what are all the values of, how many values of y and numbers. So 20 number is same, only 1, and there is 2y, one is minus 20y and another one is plus 21y. So the difference is nothing but plus 1y divided by 3 equals 4. So with the help of cross multiplication, we are shifting this 3 to the right side. So cross multiplication we have to do here. So with the help of cross multiplication, we can able to shift the 3 to the right side. So 20 plus 1y, numerator remains as it is, then 4 into 3 will become 12. We should retain the value of y at the left, shift the numbers to the right side. 1y equals 12, this plus 20 become minus 20. Therefore, the value of y, that is nothing but 1y equals minus 8, y is nothing but minus 8. So this is how we have to calculate the value of x and y. And see the third question here, that is 5m plus 6m equals 3, and the second equation is 2m minus 5m equals 16. So here also they have given to calculate the value of m and n. So we are considering the first equation, that is 5 plus 6m equals 3. If you are going to substitute the value of m means, then we have to retain m values at the left side, then shift the numbers and n values to the right side. So 5m equals 3, this plus 6m become minus 6m, therefore the m equals nothing but 3 minus 6m divided by 5. So here this m value, that is 3 minus 6m by 5 has to be substituted in the second equation now. So the second equation is 2m minus 5n equals 16. So where there is m, we can write 3 minus 6n divided by 5. So 2 into, in place of m, we have written here 3 minus 6n divided by 5 minus 5n, which is in the equation, rewrite as it is, equals 16. Now we have to multiply here to open the brackets. 3 plus into plus is plus, 3 into 2 is 6, plus into minus is minus, 3 2s are 6, 12, n divided by 5. This minus 5n as it is equals 16. Now we'll have to, because it is one fraction, one more fraction is there. So fractions and fractions cannot be add or subtract. So what we'll have to do, we'll have to simplify with the help of LCM. So no number in the denominator of 5 and means we'll have to assume it as 1. So for 1 and 5 we'll have to take the LCM. 5 is the LCM. Now the entire thing, the quotient, when we are going to divide with the 5, it has to be multiplied with the numerator value, that is 6 minus 12n for the 5. So 5 ones are 5, 1 into 6 minus 2n is nothing but 6 minus 12n. So here it is minus, write down minus. So this 5 has to be divided with 1. So 1 5s are 5, 5 into 5n, because it is in the numerator, the value becomes 25n equals 60. Now we'll have to see, simplify the values by addition and subtraction, because there are two n's are there. One is minus 12n, another one is minus 25n, and number is there. So number, no number at the left side, so retain as it is the number 6. Minus 12n minus 25n becomes minus 37n equals, after cross multiplication, this 5 we are shifting to the right side, it will become 16 into 5 is nothing but 80. Therefore, 6 minus 37n equals 80. So retain this n value left side, that is minus 37n equals 80. The number to the right side minus 6, plus 6 become minus 6. Minus 37n equals 80 minus 6 is 74. Therefore, the value of n equals 74 divided by minus 37. The value of n is minus 2. So this is how to calculate. And here we'll have to calculate the value of m now. Now we have to substitute n equals minus 2 either in any equation 1 or 2. So we have substituted the values in the first equation. So the first equation is 5m plus 6n equals 3. Where there is n, we should write minus 2. 5m plus 6 into n value is minus 2. Substitute the value there in the equation, equals 3. 5m plus into minus is minus, 6 2s are 12 equals 3. So retain the m value at the left side, numbers to the right side, shift it here. 5m equals 3, this plus 12 become minus 12 become plus 12. So 5m equals 15, m equals 15 by 5. Therefore, the value of m equals 3 and the value of n equals 2. So this is how to calculate. Let us will see the fourth question here given. That is, it is a little bit different when compared to the previous questions. That is 5x plus 4y. This is equals to 2x plus 3y plus 4, and also this is equals to x plus y plus 7. So here there are three equations together they have given. Now we'll have to make out, we'll have to bring it to the proper form. First we'll consider these two equations. This 5x plus 4y, this is equals to 2x plus 3y plus 4 one time. And again this 5x plus 4y, this is also equals to x plus y plus 7. So with that, like that, we'll have to frame the two equations. First we are going to consider the two values. That is 5x plus 4y equals 2x plus 3y plus 4. These are the two equations has to be considered. With the help of these values, we'll have to frame the equations. Now 5x plus 4y, we are shifting all the x and y values to the left side and retaining the 4 at the right side. Then 5x plus 4y, this plus 2x becomes minus 2x, plus 3y becomes minus 3y equals 4. Now we'll have to simplify the values by subtraction. That is, how many x are there? There is 1 5x minus 2x is nothing but 3x, plus 4y minus 3y is nothing but 1y equals 4. So this will becomes the first equation. In the same manner, we'll have to calculate the second equation also. This 5x plus 4y, this is also equals to x plus y plus 7. In the same manner how we did for the previous framing the question equation, the same manner we'll have to do. We are going to shift x and y values to the left side and retain the numbers at the right side. 5x plus 4y, and this plus x become minus x, this plus y become minus y equals 7. Therefore, how many x are remaining here? It is 4x remaining, 4y minus y is remaining, that is 3y equals 7. Therefore, this will become the second equation. Now we'll have to consider the two equations. The first equation is 3x plus 1y equals 4 is the first equation, and 4x plus 3y equals 7 is the second equation. Now, in the same manner how we did for by considering the first and or the second equation, we'll have to substitute the values now. We have considered the first equation, that is 3x plus 1y equals 4. Therefore, 3x equals we have to retain 4 because we are going to substitute the value of x in the second equation. So 4, this plus y become minus 1y, x equals 4 minus 1y divided by 3. So this is nothing but the value of x, what to substitute. X equals 4 minus 1y divided by 3. This has to be substituted in the second equation. The second equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 7. Where there is x, we should substitute 4 minus 1y divided by 3. Now 4 into x substitution is 4 minus 1y divided by 3 plus 3y equals 7. Now remove the brackets. 4 into 4 is 16. Plus into minus is minus. 4 ones are 4y divided by 3 plus 3y equals 7. Here also one fraction is there, one number we can't hold that, so we'll have to do the take LCM, then we'll have to go for addition, the values. 3 and 1, the LCM is 3. 3 ones are 3, 1 into 16 minus 4y is nothing but 16 minus 4y. In between it is plus, 1 3s are 3, 3 into 3y is 9y equals 7. Now we have to shift the value of 3 to the right side, it will become by cross multiplication, 7 into 3 will become 21. And at the left side there is number and two y values are there. One is minus 4y, another one is plus 9y, the difference is plus 5y. The number is 16, we have retained as it is, right side it becomes 7 3s are 21. Now we have to shift the numbers to the right side and retain the y values here, that is 5y equals 21 plus 16 become minus 16, 5y equals 21 minus 16 is 5, therefore y equals 5 divided by 5, it is nothing but 1. So this is how to calculate the value of y. The same thing, now we'll have to calculate the value of x. So here also we are substituting the value of y equals 1. In the any one of the equation, first, second, third, after substitution, we can able to see this will become the third equation, that is x equals minus 1y divided by 3 will become the third equation here. So there we are going to substitute. In any one of the equation, we can able to substitute. Where there is y, we are writing it 1 here. X equals 4 minus 1 into 1 divided by 3. X equals 4 minus 1 divided by 3. So x equals 3 by 3, the value of x equals 1. So this is how to calculate the value of x and y with the help of substitution method. So with this, I am going to end the session.